Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time up in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the family. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, shout out to you. You and I are buddies. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be spread out to other people in recommendation. Then they can get to enjoy the good content that comes with this video. So guys, today is just another day in the life of a broke Forex trader where I'm simply trying to make my money off of Forex, trying to make money online in 2024. So guys, I want to show you guys the trades that I took. As you can see the profit here. I want to show you how I actually was able to take these trades and how I was able to make some profit off of these trades. So but then again, if you would like to become part of a winning team, if you would like to trade with a reliable broker that gives you a security of your funds, you need to hit the link in the video's description. The first link in this video's description for Fibo Group, which is a reliable broker, international broker, and it's also regulated. So if you would like to trade with that broker, hit the link in the description down below and also open an account, verify your documents. Then from there you can just hit me up on WhatsApp and say that you did open an account, and I will help you to make some deposit, and everything that you would like to need, I'll be there to help you with. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video and let me show you how I was able to make some money from gold as well as GBPUSD. Okay, right. Yes. So now that we are on my laptop screen, so this is GBP USD that you're looking at, and we are currently looking at it on daily time frame. So first thing first, if you've been following my channel, then you know that we do follow price action, right? So then by the look of things here, if we can just focus our eyes on this price action here, let me just highlight it, on this price action here, then we can very clearly see that it is going to the upside. But then we can also see here that there is a some sort of a retracement. If you can just have a look at this thing here that's happening here. So this is a retracement, but we are definitely going to the upside based on this price action here. So this is just a flag. So but let's rather follow price action, and do not take my word for it. Let me just follow price action. So what do we have here? We have a low, then we have a high, and we have a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low, meaning that we expect for price to go for a higher high. So then that's why I'm saying that we are going to the upside, and this is just a flag, which is a retracement. So then, but something that I can see here is that we do not have an engulfing to the upside here on daily time frame here. We do not have an engulfing to the upside, so meaning that price failed to go to push further to the upside to engulf this previous downgoing candle. Instead, it went up, but then it rejected in it wicked down. You see, so the current candle is currently going to the downside. So this is what I will be looking at the moment. But then let's further confirm our direction by the means of our moving averages. So remember, with my moving averages, if the blue one is above the red one, then we are going to the upside. So this is what is exactly happening, meaning that it confirms what we saw when we were following price action, that we are going to the upside. So but when we're looking at these two candles here, or rather these three candles, we see here that we never had an engulfing as a confirmation that we are going to the upside. Instead, the current candle that we are looking at the moment is going to the downside. So we're going to go further to 4-hour time frame to see what's happening. So this is actually what I saw, reason why I took a sell trade, even though the market was going to the upside. Right. This market is bullish, but then when we come to 4-hour time frame, then our moving averages are saying that this market is now bearish. So then what was happening here is price was still on this candlestick. It was still on this candlestick, and I told myself that, okay, should this candlestick engulf this bullish candlestick, Actually, should this bearish candlestick engulfs this bullish candlestick, then we are definitely gonna go to the downside, and we are going to go to the downside up until this order block here, because price left that order block there and it impulsively went to the upside, but then it never came back to retest. Right, okay, so that's what I was expecting, but then we were still on this current price, I mean on this current candle here. Then I went to 1 hour time frame. Okay, with that current candlestick, what can I make of, or rather what can I do with that candlestick? So then what happened is I saw engulfing here. So I saw this engulfing here, bearish engulfing, meaning that the bearish candle engulfed the bullish candle, meaning that we are going to the downside. Then this is where I put my entry. I put my entry here because why? When I look at 4 hour time frame, it was clearly showing that we are going to the downside, and I put my stop loss just above this market structure here. Then my take profit was actually here, but what, no, it was here. Yeah, that's where I put my take profit, because it was a quick scalp, but I didn't even wait for price to hit my take profit. I actually exited manually. So what's happening right now is price is still going to the downside, and I'm still confident that price will still continue to go to the downside and tap into this order block, then go to the upside. Or if it doesn't tap into this order block, then it will only focus on this one that's sitting here on 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, price tapped into that. So the only thing that we need to see happening is for price engulfing to the upside, then we can take a trade again to the upside. Then now we will be realigning with our daily time frame price action, or direction rather. So what we want to see happening right now is for price to push to the upside, then engulf this bearish candle. Then once it engulf this bearish candle, then that's when we can say now we are going to the upside. So another thing that I wanted to let you know guys of is that with Fibo Group, if you are going to join Fibo Group, you can trade from as little as $10, and then if you are not able to handle maybe $10, you can also transfer it to cents. So $10, when you take it to cents, it will be about $100 if I'm not mistaken. Then you can just trade easily and with no stress. Remember, in Forex, the best way to trade, or rather the best way to become profitable, is by trading with a reliable broker, as well as having funds to trade. You know, I can make an example. If you have $10 and I have $10,000, I'm more likely to make profits than you with your $10, because now your emotions are too attached to that amount, because that amount is very small, so it's not that easy to make it. So imagine if you are a beginner forex trader and you only have $10 in your bank account to trade with. You see that the chances are you will lose that money. So Fibo Group made it easy by introducing the cents account. So if you have $10, you can just deposit into your MetaTrader cents account. Then it'll be about $100. Then you can trade with that 100 cents, dollar cents, if I can just put it that way. So then you will get to at least have a bit of relaxation, knowing that okay, I have a bit of money, even though it's not that much, but then it will give you that edge, and it will give you that thing of relaxing, knowing that okay, I'm having this much, rather than trading with straight $10. It won't even give you the confidence. You won't even actually you won't even have that thing in you of placing a trade. I mean, if you lose one trade, then you are emotionally gone or done, if I can just say that way. You are emotionally gone, because now you will be thinking, let's say now you lose that $10, and then I mean you lose one trade and it's about maybe $3, and then you are now left with only $7. You won't have the confidence to go back. Why? Because now the amount is even smaller. So if it's 100 cents in dollars, then you still have a bit of chance to go in and say, no, I still have money, you know. This is what I'm trying to say. So you can just hit the link in the videos, in this video's description, then open an account with Fibo Group, verify your documents, then deposit whatever amount, even if it's $10. Remember that you can also transfer it to cents, then you can trade while relaxing, knowing that you have money in your account. So in a nutshell, this is exactly what I wanted to show you guys on GBPUSD, the trade that I took. So it has been your boy Lethabo Mampana Tisana, and I'm out. Peace.